Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad Mini, and today I will show you how we can insert SD card into this device. Before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, kind of like this one. They can provide it with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you will then be able to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the tablet. As you can see right where the pin is holding. Push the pin in firmly, and as you can see, the tray will just pop out a little bit, enough for you to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, at least for me, I have space for just a single SD card. It looks like there might be an LTE version of this tablet, but it's not what I have, so for me this spot is filled out or filled in. Now if for you have a spot for SD or SIM card, you can actually pop it in here and also get LTE connectivity, assuming your tablet supports it. And from there, once your card is on the tray, carefully insert it into the device, and once you do so, card should start working right away, which I can already see it is detecting it right away. You can see it right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.